Spray a continuous band of Bifen or Talik around the exterior of the home to create a protective barrier against crawling pests. Start by reading the product label for the exact dilution rates and safety precautions, since formulations differ between Bifen and Talik, and following label directions is both legal and effective. Use a professional-grade pump sprayer with an adjustable cone nozzle to achieve even coverage, and set the spray to a coarse droplet to avoid drift. Mix the concentrate with water in a well-ventilated area, wearing chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves. And calibrate your sprayer by measuring output over a timed interval so you apply the correct volume per linear foot. Apply a continuous band from ground level up to about 4 feet high along the foundation, pausing to treat under eaves, around door and window frames, and on exterior pipes and cables. Also, spray adjacent landscaping beds and mulch, but avoid direct spraying of edible plants. For porches, stone veneer, or textured surfaces, make multiple overlapping passes at a slow walk pace to ensure the product reaches crevices without pooling. Do not overapply or leave puddles. If the soil is heavily compacted or very sandy, lightly till a small amount into the top quarter-inch of soil with a hand tool to improve contact without driving residues deep into the ground. Allow treated surfaces to dry before allowing children or pets access, and retreat at intervals recommended on the label or after heavy rainfall that washes the band away. Common mistakes include applying too heavy a rate, which leads to runoff and wasted product and can harm desirable insects. Fix that by calibrating your sprayer, using label rates, and watching for runoff during application. Another issue is missing gaps such as around garage doors, vents, and utility penetrations, which create entry points. Walk the perimeter slowly and intentionally, making additional short passes over these vulnerabilities and treating cracks and crevices with a low-volume precision tip. A third frequent problem is treating only the foundation and not adjacent vegetation and mulch where pests shelter. Spray a band into the first few inches of landscaped beds and on the outer edge of mulch, but avoid soaking plant roots and do not spray directly onto flowering plants. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for exterior pest control projects and shows contractor profiles and service areas so we can match needs to available professionals. We also help contractors find work and grow their business, and our site includes a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences.